So me, Luke and Minch, and we're joined by Jake on this one, my stepbrother. So we're all on a little adventure up to Wales. As you can see, we're in like Mordor. So we're wild camping up here somewhere. We're just trying to find a spot that we can settle down. Perilously walking down the edge of a slate fucking cliff. Brilliant idea. Yeah.
Bob, you got someone?
So we're still trying to recce a place to stop, but as you can see we're running out of light, so it's probably not the best, but we think we've found a spot over here. So we're going to go and check that out now. So we've managed to find a little spot. So this is our little spot for the night. So we're going to get a little fire going over there. Obviously we're going to take all the stuff in the morning and leave no traces, what we're supposed to do. But we're going to get the tents up now, so we'll crack on.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Birthday.
Not good though, is it?
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6,
No.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liam. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray.
Cheers, boys.
I need 25, it's too much.
Right, we're off to bed now. Everybody's getting all cosy. So we'll see you in the morning. Right, it's the morning after. How are we all feeling?
Yeah, not bad.
All good? We're sweet. So we're going to pack up our little camping set and head back to the car.
In the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
Sean will be proud, we've left pretty much no trace. Obviously apart from the fire, but we put it in like a slate surrounding. We'll put it out with water, so it's not too bad. Bye camping spot. It's been emotional.
guys.
So we've just found these little, it's like little waterfall rapids type thing. So we're going to go down and have a look. Courtesy of Luke's little. Ooh! Wow!
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke, and I will try to fix what has been broken, and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold.
So we've come away from the waterfall now, and now Luke's brought us to another location he knows, a little aqueduct. Viaduct? Aqueduct? Aqueduct, isn't it? So we're going to fly the drone around here for a bit.
Sun to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken, and I'll let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna